Salam PPG Indonesia. Halo semuanya, ketemu lagi nih di video PPL saya yang ketiga di program PPG Reljab Angkatan 2 jurusan Bahasa Inggris tahun 2021. Semoga tetap semangat dan sehat selalu ya. Dalam PPL Siklus 3 ini, saya akan mengajarkan materi tentang formal invitation text atau membuat undangan resmi tertulis, dan ini akan diajarkan pelajaran bahasa Inggris kelas 11 semester ganjil. Selamat menyaksikan ya.
Morning students, so glad to see you today. Yeah, you're back with me in the English lesson. So as usual, I want to check your attendance first. Yeah, as I see in the Google Classroom, there are 19 students who have confirmed, and in the Zoom meeting, there are 16 students here. Yeah, so there are 2 students didn't come, Jamie and Rivana. Okay, I hope the rest of you can come here soon. Yeah. All right. Now, before we start our learning today, please, Juan, as the leader of the class, to lead the pray first.
Okay, Miss and friend, before we get started our lesson today, it would be better if we pray first. Pray, begin. Finish.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, Juan. Yeah. Now, students, before we start the learning, I want to ask you something. Do you still remember what have we learned in our previous meeting?
Formal invitation.
Yes, good, about formal invitation. Yeah. What are you learning about formal invitation?
The social functions, text structure, and language feature.
Okay, good. So now, this lesson about formal invitation will give you many benefits, especially when we want to invite someone or a group of people to an officially important event at school or workplace. Okay, so now let's see the learning objective. Yeah, today you will able to rearrange formal invitations in good order, able to complete formal invitation using right phrases, and able to write formal invitation text related with school or work activity. Ya, itu adalah learning objektifnya. Nah, karena kalian sudah pelajari social function, and then text structures, and language features, now let's review first. I want to ask you, there are 2 social functions of formal invitation text. What are they?
Menjaga hubungan yang baik.
Mengundang sekelompok orang menghadiri acara secara formal.
Good. Okay. The second is, how can you write formal invitation card?
Name of host.
Name of host,
Stating invitation.
stating invitation, participants, good.
No, name of event.
Yes, name of event. What else?
Details.
Details. Nah, untuk bagian detailsnya apa aja nih?
Tanggal. Jam.
And, iya, good. What else?
RSVP.
Yeah, RSVP. So, how about letter?
Headings. Address. Name of student.
After that, date ya, ada date ya. Oke, setelah date,
Opening.
opening, good. Body paragraph, and then
Closing.
closing. Iya, tadi sebelum paragraf ada yang kelupaan. Harus ada salutation ya. Now, after closing, yours faithfully,
Complimentary close.
yes, complimentary close. Yours faithfully, yes, sincerely yours. And then, apa itu namanya? Signatures. And after that,
Sender.
yes,
Sender.
name of the sender. Okay, good. Now, how about language features for formal invitation text? How about the expressions and wording?
Formal.
Formal, good ya. Next, how about the tenses?
Simple present.
Present and future.
Iya, simple present and simple future. And how about the tone?
Formal.
Formal. Okay, now let's do practice 1 and practice 2. So let's do practice 1. Arrange the following part of the letter, become good arrangement of the letter. Handwrite your work in your exercise book. You can write numbers 1 to 10 ya beside the box. You can use annotation. Remember, use the bold color. Silahkan in 1, 2, and 3. Let's checking your answer ya. Now let's see practice 2. Nah, ini letternya isinya sama dengan yang sebelumnya. Nah, silakan kalau yang ini tidak bisa pakai annotate ya, silakan kalian speak up. Now, let's check your answer. Okay, let's see how to write the formal invitation ya. I want to share you this video. Yeah, okay. That is the video of how to write formal invitation. Yeah. So now let's see how can you write the formal invitation. I have shared you the project. This is the outline of the project.
Alright, this is the topic of the formal invitation letter or card you may use, and this is the outline for the letter and also the outline for the card or formal invitation text that you may use. Yeah, and this is the schedule of your project to your class.
In this assignment, outline the project. You have to type of your project letter or card. Use the attachment to fill the outline and submit back here when you have done. Yeah, it will help you to do the project. Okay. Yeah, there are 22. Yeah, all of you have submitted all the project for writing formal invitation. Yeah, I have also give you a feedback here. Thank you very much for your outline. Yeah. Now let's see instruction for the project itself. Yeah, the instructions is you have to upload your video or link of the project process. Yeah, whether in typing or handwriting here. So and also capture and or attach your file of your project. Yeah, you can edit your video to make it best of your video editing by writing your name, class, topic of your letter, invitation, and closing, and or capture the project result. Kemarin saya tambahkan ada outline-nya juga ya. Okay, there are 22 students have submitted their video. Wow, that's very good. Nah, hari ini saya ingin meminta kalian, there are 5 students will present their project. The first one is Zahwa. So please present your project.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. Okay, thank you very much, Zahwa. Yeah, good project. Now, next, Celia Kalista. Second one, please. Yeah, okay, good. For Celia Kalista, yes. Next, Naila Fauzan. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Naila Fauzan doing the letter by handwriting. Yeah, okay, good. Next, Elsa.
Good afternoon, Miss. My name is Elsa Romela from 11th grade. Today, I'm going to make a formal letter from the outline that I have made yesterday. This is the outline from the outline I have made yesterday before I make the letter today. As you can see, there are name, address, date of letter, and so on. Now, let's make the letter. And that's it. This is the end of my letter making. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Elsa. Yeah. Now the last one is Kayla Karisma. Yeah. Okay, good. Give applause to all your friends. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, students, for all of your projects. You are doing very good project. Dan hasil dari card and letternya sebagian besar semua sudah menunjukkan elemen-elemen yang benar. Mungkin ada yang ketinggalan sedikit seperti tadi ada date of letter, ada yang ketinggalan. Ya. Kemudian temanya saya sempat kasih feedback ya sebelumnya di project ketika kalian buat outline ada name of the eventnya jangan lupa ya dan lain sebagainya. Jadi lain kali bisa diperhatikan lagi pada waktu bahkan pada waktu membuat outline ya. Tapi syukurlah karena outline-nya sudah dibuat terlebih dahulu, saya bisa periksa, kemudian kamu bisa perbaiki untuk videonya. So thank you very much students for your project. Yeah. Now this is the end of our lesson today. Let's do the evaluations. Yeah, I will assign the quiz. Let's click here the quizzes. By doing this quiz, you will know your comprehension of this material. Ya, silakan join. Ya, silakan. Okay, I start now in 1, 2, and 3. Alright, thank you very much. Ya. Ya, okay, congratulations for all the good one. Ya, thank you for your evaluation here. I will note your good score. Oke, jadi nanti bagi yang belum lewat dari KKM 75, kita review lagi supaya kalian bisa, ya. I will assign the students reflection. Jadi nanti kalian silakan mengisi reflection ya. Boleh diklik tadi yang ini ya, Google Form-nya. This is the student reflection. Write your answers as your reflection after learning about formal invitation. Write your email and your name, and then you have to write down within this learning material and activity I have learned. Kemudian the key features of the material include what I like most of this material and activity. Apa yang kamu paling suka dari aktivitas pembelajaran kita, what I need to improve, learn, practice more, and the last one is write with the suitable emoticons. How do you feel with the lesson? And don't forget to submit and turn into your Google Classroom. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your participation. Is there any question before we close this meeting? Is there any question, students? Yes. No. Okay. Thank you very much for today, and we will meet again next week. We will learn next chapter about suggestions and offering. Okay. Thank you very much, and see you.
Thank you. Sekian rangkaian video edit PPL saya. Semoga dapat bermanfaat ya. Semangat mengajar dan belajar selalu. And always be the best teacher for our great students. See you next time. Bye.